So if we talk about data links capabilities and more specifically the portfolio that we make available to our customers to help in the transformation, I think you could really think of it in three major categories. The first one would be consult and implement. So this is understanding what the options are. This isn't necessarily just a technology centric view, although technology is a part of it. It's understanding the customer's work environment and understanding the requirements of the business for the data center platforms, and then making recommendations for the customer about what the best platforms are based upon all of the variables. And even though we can use common tools for evaluating that and making determination, every customer is different, because ultimately you're making a decision about a lot of different trade-offs: cost versus latency versus availability versus backup. There's just a lot of variables that are unique to the company. So even though the models and the tools are the same, the companies are unique. And so, providing the insight to the customer, providing them the consulting so that we can develop a roadmap is one of the portfolio items, and then implementing the move to the platform. So that's one of our businesses. Our other business is our technology business. So this is our technology experts who are particularly schooled in all of the cutting edge technology that's available, that are able to recommend and deploy the leading edge platforms that are appropriate for the customer. And then last but not least is our support and managed services. So this is supporting what we've put in and ultimately even managing it if that's what a customer wants. We have a lot of customers that have said to us, okay, we get the fact that the private infrastructure is the right platform for this workload, but we really like the public cloud because we don't have to manage it. And so, really the best solution for some of our customers is something that looks more like a hybrid private infrastructure that we manage. So that's a really important portfolio item. And I'll tell you, it's a lot of people don't think about this when they're planning to move to the public cloud, but the workload that goes to the public cloud still needs to be managed. You can do it yourself, and customers do, but if you're not going to do it yourself, it's wise to have a provider who can manage that instance for you inside of the public cloud. The example I like to give is that if you moved your ERP to the public cloud and all of a sudden you can't run your general ledger, you can't call Amazon and say my general ledger is not running. That's not how that works. But if you're moving enterprise workloads into the public cloud, they still need to be managed. And that's something that we do for our customers if they want. Our portfolio is, call it a la carte. Our customers can pick the portfolio items that they need and discard the ones that they don't need, not interesting to them, or maybe they say, look, we just want to start doing this with you, and maybe over time we'll take advantage of some of these other portfolio items. But the way that we support our customers is very a la carte and gives them what they need based upon their unique situation.